Hello guys, I'm back with new topics. I think you know what I teach you, and if you want to learn on these topics, you can just stay with me. So today I'll just teach you how you can turn off your pop-up blocker on your iPhone. Alright, so if you want to turn off, then you can just stay with me. Otherwise, you can skip this video. Alright. So if you want to turn off on your blocker, pop-up blocker on your Safari browser, you should go settings. After settings, you see similar UI, then you can look and find on Safari browser. Alright, so after you see the Safari browser settings, here I'm showing many options. Okay, then if you just scroll down, and here in showing like block pop-ups, this is the already enabled, but if you want to like disable, just turn off, you can just switch off, then it will be disabled. That's it. The pretty easy. And let me know if you have any query, and if you have any issue, just comment on the YouTube video comment box, and I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thanks for the watching. Bye bye.